Get reviews or features highlight before select EYETOO 11-inch rear view mirror camera anti-shake. Why you choose EYETOO 11-inch rear view mirror camera anti-shake. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Rotating detached front camera different from the regular mirror dash cam. This 1080p car camera is a separate design to does not as heavy as other rear view mirror camera. It will attach on original rear view mirror sturdy and recording steady without wobble. Inch dual 1080p rear view mirror dash cam. This FHD rear view mirror dash cam is equipped with an anti-glare 2D LCD full touch screen, which captures 1920x1080 at 30 fps clearly image/video from the front 170 degrees and rear 140 degrees of your car to provide sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions and more. WDR technology. Both front and rear cameras feature WDR technology to capture clear. It can automatically adjust the balanced exposure even in backlight and strong light, record a clear view. With the HD lens of, it can capture the license plate normally during night driving as well as roadside signs. The super night vision function makes you safer at night. Recording, G-sensor, parking monitor. This rearview mirror dash cam can automatically monitor your surroundings and when the built-in G-sensor detects an impact or collision, the car recorder will automatically lock the video. Provides vital evidence in the event of an accident/failure. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the unlocked video. Solve the problem of lack of space for you. Parking monitoring acts as a surveillance camera system when the vehicle is turned off. Assist and IP68 waterproof mirror cam will automatically turn to rear camera and reverse line appears when you turn to R gear. Waterproof backup camera, equipped with the highest level IP68 waterproof and dustproof rear camera, can record clear video in bad climatic conditions. Recording end option. GPS module. You can choose to turn recording on/off. Clear sound recording can be great for catching events that are not within sight of the camera. The rearview mirror dash cam supports a GPS module, which helps record the location, live speed, mile per hour/kilometer per hour, and direction while driving, which will be important evidence in the accident, not including the GPS module. If you need to link the GPS module, and need to connect the adapter. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.